Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about basil and how you can make some awesome pesto. Whether or not you have a lot of basil and you have a big food processor, or you have a little bit of basil and a small food processor, it doesn't matter. And don't worry about a recipe. Just take your ingredients and experiment. So first of all, I use mixed nuts. I use pistachios, almonds, I love pine nuts, I'll use walnuts. It's really whatever I have in my freezer. And then I always use fresh lemon juice, and I generally have it frozen, and so I'll just take a jar out and I add it in. I always use the Thérèse Vineyards olive oil, and I just add that while it's spinning around and just kind of look for the consistency. And then also you can taste it. Always garlic, and then of course your basil. And remember, when you store basil that you get from the grocery store or you pick from your garden, you want to take it and you want to make sure you clean all of the stems and you put it in water as if it were flowers. And that's how it holds up. You could also cover this with plastic. I generally use a shower cap, and then you can put it in the refrigerator and it will also last longer. Don't forget salt. I always add a dash of salt. You can also use your basil in a salad. It'll go in a smoothie if you'd like. Just remember, basil smells great. It encourages you to cook something Italian. It just gets you going for something yummy. So stay sure, strong, and steady. Don't worry about your recipe, and make some pesto today.